So we are going to be doing some more copying and pasting, except this time we are actually going to be copying multiple sections of text into the Windows clipboard and then retrieving them from that clipboard. So we do need to open another file. And this one is also in the Word S3 folder. It is FCT TIE Info. And so what we're going to do, we'll enable the editing here. We are going to open up the clipboard itself. Okay, and so clicking on that dialog box launcher actually opens up the clipboard. And I'm going to clear out everything that's in there right now because what I'm seeing is the very last thing that I had copied. So I'm going to click on Clear All to make sure it's empty. And then I'm going to select Food and Beverages and the text that is below it. And I'm going to use the copy command, and that puts it into the clipboard. And then I'm going to select Shopping and the text that is below that. And I'm going to copy that as well. So it's also putting that block into the clipboard. The entertainment section, I'm going to highlight that and the text below it and copy. And with those three sections now in my clipboard, I'm going to go back over to FCT Thailand, and we're going to be retrieving those sections. So I'm going to go to the Home ribbon, and I'm going to open up that clipboard panel or pane. And I'm going to position my insertion mark where I want the first section to go. And I want it to go right before accommodations. And then I'm going to click on the entertainment block here and retrieve it. Okay, so now you should see entertainment in there. And then I'm going to move the insertion point to the points of interest heading. I'm going to click right before that. And I'm going to retrieve my shopping block. And at this point, those are the only two things that I'm going to retrieve. Not going to worry about the food and beverage. So they want us to select Clear All. That kind of empties this out, and then we're going to close the navigation pane. So at this point, we are done with FCT TIE Info. So if we point down here, we can go into that thumbnail and click on the X. And that just leaves us in the FCT Thailand document. And we're going to press Control and Home, H-O-M-E. That takes us up to the very top. And they would like us to change this to the title style. You don't really have to even highlight it. You just have to be somewhere in the line. And then you're going to click on Title. Then they would like the heading 1 style applied to all the different headings in our document. So if we click on Transportation, we can put heading 1 there. And we click in Traveling in Thailand. You can either click on heading 1 or you can press F4 to reapply. And we'll do the same thing for attractions. Either click on heading 1 or press F4. Entertainment, accommodations, shopping, and points of interest. And the last one is passports and visas. Now they would like us to change the style set. So we're going to have to go into Design. And they want us to choose Casual. So remember, this is one where you actually have to kind of point and pause to see the name. And we're looking for casual. Okay, and it happens to be right here. So I'm going to go ahead and select that. And now we're going to go back up to the top, Control and Home. And we're going to center align Thailand. So I'm going to go back into the Home ribbon, and I'm going to click on the Center command. And at this point, we're going to go ahead and save.